How to use Wix Lightboxes for special offers. Just click on this plus icon right here on your Wix website editor, and we have the option right here for Lightbox. If you can find your Lightbox right here, what you can do is you can just search in here for the search bar, and you should be able to see this from there. Click on this search right here, and then search in here for Lightbox. Now, once you search that, you can see this promotional Lightboxes, as well as subscribe and welcome. So let's just choose this one. It's under the interactive and under promotion. So we have this cases right here. So just choose which one you want to use for this case. So we have in here the special offer for the 70% off. So you can head over and then just choose this one and then just attach it wherever you want it. Now, as you can see, this is actually a Lightbox. So this will actually occupy the entire screen and you can see what it looks like. So you can also set some triggers and then just tweak the settings if you want. So it will delay for around 2 seconds, and you can also set the schedule for this one, and they also have the X icon. So you can also choose the Lightbox theme if you want, and then click on this publish right here in order to save your changes. Now, once the changes have been saved, this Lightbox will pop up whenever someone has visited your site. So let's, for example, view our site right here in order to see what it looks like. Now we have in here our store, and you can just wait for the 2 seconds Lightbox to actually appear, but for some cases it will take some time since we have just exactly added that earlier. So that's how you use Wix Lightboxes for special offers. If it helped,